After days of exploring the City of Smiles, Bacolod, our family adventure continues. Next stop, Guimaras Island. Medyo hapon na nang umalis kami ng Bacolod. Nagayos muna kami ng paper sa Bredco Port bago kami sumakay ng ferry. Nathan can get a bit restless during these long trips, pero he's been handling it so well lately. Goodbye Bacolod and hello Guimaras.
We just arrived at Dumangas Port. So galing kaming Bacolod, nag-ferry kami going to Dumangas Port. So nandito na ulit kami. And then from here, sasakay na naman kami ng ferry mamaya papunta namang Guimaras Island. So
welcome to Guimaras, home of the sweetest mangoes, peaceful beaches, and unforgettable family memories. Samahan nyo kami as we explore the island and visit the famous tourist spot and taste the delicious food that Guimaras has to offer.
we just arrived here at Guimaras Port. Ayan, inaantay lang namin yung ride namin. So yan. Yan yung barko na sinakyan namin, oh. Wow! Papunta na kami ngayon sa Raymond's Resort. Mag-check-in na kami. Yun yung magiging accommodation namin hanggang tomorrow. So tomorrow morning na lang kami mag-island hopping and mag-explore ng Guimaras.
Good morning! So nandito na kami ngayon sa Raymond's Beach Resort here in Guimaras. So yan, kagabi kasi nag-check-in kami, gabi na eh. Kaya hindi na ako nag-vlog to show you the area. But today is a perfect day para mag-stroll around muna bago kami mag-island hopping. Yan, so Raymond's Beach Resort.
Dito sa Raymond's Beach Resort, madami at maluwag ang parking area nila. So bringing your own car wouldn't be a problem at all. Pwede ang day tour dito. Kahit di ka mag-check-in ay pwede mo ding ma-enjoy ang beach at island hopping. All you have to do is ask their very accommodating front desk about it and pay for the entrance fee. Meron din ditong restaurant na nagsiserve ng different varieties of food. They sell snacks, coffee, mineral water, alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, you name it, lahat meron dito. Kaya kahit di ka magdala ng baon mo, ay pwedeng-pwede na rin bumili sa restaurant nila. Raymond Beach Resort offers affordable beachfront accommodation, ideal para sa mga budget travelers like us. And the best part is, located lang siya sa harap ng island hopping spots. Kaya naman, perfect itong accommodation kung gusto mong mag-island hopping or mag-enjoy at mag-relax lang sa tabing dagat with your loved ones.
As you can see, yung sand nila parang medyo, hindi siya white sand, I would say. Parang ano siya, fine brown na sand siya. So, yan. Malinis naman yung area.
Time to go for island hopping. Medyo malakas ang alon at low tide nung time na pumunta kami. Kaya we weren't able to dock near the islands. Pero still, na-appreciate pa din namin ang beauty ng mga islands from afar. I would say Guimaras Island is truly one of the most beautiful and captivating beach destinations in the Philippines. Sobrang worth it ang visit mo dito. After namin mag-island hopping, we decided to chill by the beach, feel the sand, and magbabad sa dagat. Doon ko na-realize, ang bilis pala ng oras. Kaya dapat we enjoy every moment habang kaya pa. Spend it with our loved ones and don't waste time on things na hindi naman talaga importante. Next stop, the famous smallest plaza in the world. Yes, you heard it right. Ito ang pinakamaliit na plaza sa buong mundo. And it's right here in Guimaras. Ang cute kasi kahit maliit, may monument pa din sa gitna. It may be small in size, but it's big in history and character for sure. Punta naman natin ang Guimaras Provincial Capital. Sobrang ganda at linis ng lugar na ito. Sobrang peaceful and well-maintained. You can really feel the pride of the locals in keeping this place so beautiful. Dito mo makikita ang famous icon ng Guimaras, kaya huminto muna kami dito para magpa-picture. One of the highlights of this trip is the Guimaras windmills. Grabe ang lalaki nila at sobrang ganda pagmasdan. Must visit talaga ito when you go here. We also dropped by Oro Verde Plantation. Off-season ng mga mangoes pero still worth the visit. This is just one of the many mango farms dito sa Guimaras. Can you imagine? This is where the world's sweetest mangoes came from. One of my favorite stops, the Trappist Monastery. Siyempre, dumaan muna kami dito para magpasalamat kay Lord sa lahat ng biyaya na pinagkakaloob niya sa amin. Sa lahat ng memories, opportunities, and challenges na na-overcome ng aming pamilya. Family life isn't always perfect. There are hard days and quiet moments too. Pero kapag buo ang pamilya at may pagkakaunawaan, kahit anong pagsubok ay kayang lagpasan. And I thank you. At syempre, bilang Kristiyano, ipinagtiri ko na din ng kandila yung mga wishes ko, yung mga prayers ko, mga family ko, ang health namin, at lahat na. Isinusurrender ko ng buong buo ang puso ko sa inyo, Panginoon. Kayo na pong bahala sa amin. Amen. Before we left Trappist Monastery, we stopped by their little gift shop located just beside the monastery itself. Ang daming local products made by the monks, from mango jam, pulveron, and other delicacies to handmade souvenirs like bags, wallet, fridge magnet, rosaries, and little memorabilia that will remind you of Guimaras, which is a perfect pasalubong to your loved ones. What I love most is every purchase helps support the monastery and the local community, kaya hindi lang siya simpleng shopping. It's a way of giving back while bringing home a piece of Guimaras. Siyempre, di natin palalagpasin ang mango pizza ng The Pit Stop. Isa ito sa pinaka-famous food spot dito sa Guimaras. At syempre, kailangan nating matikman yan. Akala ko nung una weird yung combination, mango sa pizza, pero grabe, it actually worked. The sweetness of the mango blends perfectly with the cheese and the sauce. It's unique, fun, and super Guimaras talaga. Sweet but unforgettable.
First bite, cheers! Ito, mango adobo. First bite ng chicken adobo with mango. Cheers! Mango pizza!
This trip reminded me that traveling with family isn't always easy, especially with Nathan, who is within the spectrum. There are moments of patience, small adjustment, and quiet understanding. But every laugh, every challenge, and every shared memories makes it all worth it. Seeing Nathan enjoy the world in his own special way, and Jedi being such a loving kuya, it reminds me that family isn't about perfection. It's about presence. It's about showing up for each other through every wave, every road, and every adventure together. Thank you, Guimaras, for the memories and the peace you gave us. Until our next family journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.